Audience, my brothers and sisters, I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect and with everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity, Allah life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Hazel, not going to enhance your vocabulary by today's international news. Australia releases preferred option on pollution rules to promote greener vehicles. Thank you.
Today's state news is brought to you by Harish of VIII Telangana Cabinet decides to implement 2 more guarantees soon. CM to make announcement in budget session starting February 8. Thank you to all. My name is Tanuj. I am from IV Hazel. Brings you today's weather report. Minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Today I am going to motivate you by thought. Education is the foundation for better future. I will repeat again. Education is the foundation for better future. Thank you.
What is brought to you by Gautam from Grade 4 Hazel. Word. Foundation. Friends, please spell after me. Foundation. Foundation. Thank you, Harvest.
Today I came here to check your knowledge with GK questions. Question for grade 1. How many colors are there in rainbow?
7.
Yes, you picked the correct answer. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 2. How many districts are there in our state? I repeat it again. How many districts are there in our state? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer. And the answer is 33. Question for grade 3. Which is our national tree?
Banyan tree.
Yes, she picked the correct answer. And the answer is banyan tree. Question for grade 4. In 2022, on which country Russia was attacked?
Ukraine.
Yes, she picked the correct answer. And the answer is Ukraine. Question for grade 5. Who is our governor? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. And the answer is Tamil Nadu
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of rich history and very heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I, I shall give my parents respect, teachers, and all elders to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in there will be and prosperity along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Happy morning, everyone. Today's international and national news are brought to you by Gayatri of Grade. Brought to you by Gayatri of Grade Topaz. International news. Maldives parties who claimed Moises anti-India pivot to boycott his speech. National news. Uttarakhand cabinet approves uniform civil code draft report.
And today's state and sport news is brought to you by Rupa of Graded Topaz. State news. Chief Minister A. Revant Reddy allots 1 crore rupees to each assembly constituency per each drinking water. Sports news. Rohit Sharma sarcastically trolls Kuldeep Yadav after India escape. DRS blunder. DRS means Decision Review System. Thank you and have a nice day. Today's weather report is brought to you by Keaton of Graded Topaz. Weather report. Maximum temperature 37 degrees, minimum temperature 35 degrees Celsius, mostly sunny. That's it, end of news bulletin. I am Sabita of Grade 8 Topaz. Today's thought is success required words. Success required work, not just words. Thank you. And today word of the day is brought to you by Nakshatra of Grade 8 Topaz. Word. Happy morning, everyone. Today's word of the day is brought to you by Nakshatra of Grade 8 Topaz. Word. Requires. To need something. Friends, please spell after me. Requires. 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 Thank you. These GK questions are brought to you by Spandana of Grade 8 Topaz. Question for Grade 6. What is full form of HCl? I'll repeat my question. What is full form of HCl? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is Hindustan Computers Limited. Question for Grade 7. What is full form of KYC? I'll repeat my question. What is the full form of KYC? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is Know Your Customer. Question for Grade 8. What is full form of USB? I'll repeat my question. What is the full form of USB? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is Universal Serial Bus. Question for Grade 9. What is full form of pH? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is potential of hydrogen. Let us appreciate them. Open questions. What is full form of CPR? I repeat my question. What is full form of CPR? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Thank you.